If I told you there's one silent habit almost every driver does every single day that quietly destroys engines, transmissions, batteries, and sensors, you'd probably think I'm exaggerating. I'm not. This habit doesn't trigger a warning light. It doesn't make noise. It doesn't break your car overnight. Instead, it shortens your car's life 1 mile at a time and shows up years later as a $3,000 repair that came out of nowhere. I've seen engines fail at 90,000 miles that should have gone 250,000. I've seen transmissions die early, batteries collapse in half their expected lifespan, and owners blame bad design when the real cause was something they did every day without thinking. How is it possible that two identical cars with the same mileage and oil change history end up with completely different lifespans? Stay until the very end because the last point explains why even well-maintained cars still fail early and most people never connect the dots. The silent habit revealed. Let's define the silent habit clearly. Short trip driving combined with incomplete warm-up. Starting the car, driving a few minutes, shutting it off before everything reaches operating temperature. Most people do this daily. Work, school, errands, drop-offs, and modern cars hate it. Quick pause. If you want your car to last longer and avoid expensive mystery repairs, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and comment below. Mostly short trips or regular long drives. Your answer says a lot about your car's future, even if it runs perfectly today. Why modern cars are more vulnerable. Older cars tolerated abuse better. Modern vehicles are more efficient, more tightly engineered, and far more dependent on sensors and software. Today's engines use tight bearing clearances, thin, fast-flowing oil, turbochargers, direct injection, aggressive emission systems. All of that requires stable operating conditions. Short trips never allow that stability to happen. What actually happens inside the engine? This is where most drivers are shocked. On a cold start, oil is thick, fuel mixtures are richer, condensation forms inside the crankcase. On a short trip, oil never fully warms, moisture never evaporates, fuel dilution builds, acids form inside the oil, and none of that disappears when you shut the engine off. It stays there, day after day, the chain reaction. Here's the silent chain reaction most people never see. Moisture stays trapped, fuel dilution thins the oil film strength drops, bearings wear faster, timing components stretch, oil consumption increases. By the time symptoms appear, the damage is already done. Ever heard someone say, "My engine just failed out of nowhere"? It wasn't out of nowhere. It's not just the engine. Short trips damage far more than engines. Batteries. Cold starts drain them. Short trips never fully charge them. Exhaust systems. Moisture builds and rusts from the inside out. Catalytic converters. Rich cold starts dump unburned fuel and overheat the catalyst. Sensors. O2 sensors get contaminated. Fuel trims drift. All of it happens silently. The biggest myth. There's a myth that makes this worse. Gentle driving makes cars last longer. That's only half true. Gentle driving after full warm-up is healthy. Gentle driving without ever fully warming the car is destructive. Engines need heat, stable combustion, proper oil temperature. Without that, deposits build and wear accelerates. The temperature most cars never reach. Here's what most drivers and even many mechanics miss. Your engine is not fully warmed up when the temperature gauge hits the middle. That's coolant temperature. For internal damage to stop accumulating, engine oil must reach around 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius. On short trips, oil often stays between 140 and 170 degrees Fahrenheit, even when coolant looks normal. When was the last time your car was driven 20-30 minutes non-stop at steady speed? Comment below which one fits your driving. Mostly short trips, a mix, or regular long drives. And share this with someone who still thinks low mileage always means a healthy car.